Creating a bird seed garden for a few dollars. Dr. Robert Cassar, eartheracademy.com. Okay, well, guess what? We're in the garden, and I'm not going to make a garden for me. I'm making a garden for the birds. And the birds right now, well, they don't have a lot of food, just like we don't have a lot of food, right? So what we got going here is I've got myself a bird garden that I made just for a few handfuls of wild bird seed. And this is one of the best ways that you could go ahead and well, get some happiness for just a few dollars. So these are all different seeds in here that I buy, wild bird seed. You can just get it at Costco for like $8 for 25 pounds. And you just throw it in an area. Okay, let's say you want to throw the seeds in an area where you want to grow a bird seed garden. And a bird seed garden, remember, is to feed the birdies. Okay, anyways, so you can see that's some nice, okay, food for somebody. But you want to know what's better? Let me show you. Look, let me take this thing off the rack here. So there's sunflower seeds in there, and you can see how the birds have been eating these sunflowers. They had a beautiful sunflower, all right, and now they're starting to dry up. And you can see, look how many sunflowers off this one seed right here. And they're eating the sunflowers inside. Here, let me get one. Come on, one-handed. They don't want to come out. Okay, so look, there's a beautiful sunflower seed right there. And these sunflower seeds, remember, they're not, these are sweet, okay? They're not all dried up. They're not all full of pesticides, insecticides, or herbicides, right? And you just watch the birds. These guys go ahead and really, okay, finally, got it out. They're sweet, okay? They're fresh. And what you're doing is you're making yourself a beautiful garden for all the birds. Okay, look, this is like a sweet sorghum corn. This is like a corn here, but it makes grains on top. And you can see that the birds come up here, the canaries, the cardinals, the doves, okay, and they feed off of the top of the grains right here. And you can see, look at this sunflower. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. And look at how many little babies it's got down there. So this is the easiest way for you to be able to get a little joy and happiness. For a few dollars, just make yourself a little bird seed garden. Right, Hodo? Yeah. What do you think? You got your peanuts there, right? You work for peanuts, don't you? Okay, hold on. Let's get them. Okay. So birds love seeds, but they really like insects. Is because that's what they really eat. They eat insects, okay? Not Hodo. Hodo eats anything. He eats fruit, he eats eggs, he eats bone marrow and chicken bones, right? Such a good man. I love my birdies. I feed them every morning up there, the finches, the canaries, the lizards. You can see them crawling all on the walls up there. So remember, there's food shortages everywhere. 90% of the population of insects has disappeared. Yeah, you tell them, Hodo, okay? Has disappeared. I can tell that because I live in Hawaii and I don't see the praying mantis anymore. I don't see the crickets anymore, okay? At night, don't even see a lot of fire ants anymore. The insects, look, there's not an insect, there's not a mosquito here. So the birds eat the insects and there's not that many insects. So make yourself a bird garden. And the bird garden, like I said, look, cost you nothing, couple dollars. I made this. So this is just a couple handfuls. And in about a month or so, they go ahead and grow. Like I said, this is corn, okay, but it's got a grain on top, sort of like old school corn. And they eat all these little seeds on here. Look, these are live seeds, okay, look, live seeds. And so they're getting their natural food, and all of this seed, all the seeds that are dry, like these guys, look, all it takes is just one of those seeds right there to go ahead and make another plant. So they self-regenerate. Anyways, you'll get a lot of joy, bliss, and happiness on just feeding the animals that are sort of starving too, right? Because a lot of people just talk about Well, people don't have food. We know that, right? All the homeless people. Well, how about the birds, the bees, the whales, the snails? How about their food source? And their food source is dwindling too. It's because of a lot of things, from whatever is being sprayed in the skies a lot of times coming down. Where'd the insects go? All we know is that they say 90% of the insects has disappeared. So that means 90% of the food source for these birds have disappeared. So make yourself a little bird farm, right, Hodo? Okay. And here, let's take him for a fly first, and we'll go. Okay. Come on. There he is. Give me a kiss first. Okay, now show him how you can fly in the wind. He almost took off. And he doesn't have his wings clipped or anything. He's just, there you go, take the corner with the wind. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, there you go. He loves flying in the wind. Birds, okay, your dogs, your pets. Oh, baby, one more. He loves his daddy. Give me one more kiss. One more kiss. One more kiss. Okay, so anyways, simple tip of the day. Get some enjoyment, not only for yourself, but it's super nice to be able to see the birds. They hang on the side of the plant and they just eat all the seeds. Okay, so there they go. Look, there's some of the birdies, the canaries. They're flying in right now. They want some more. But in the morning here, I just throw out the grain on the floor, right here, right on the grass. And I have 200, 300 doves just right here. Okay? And the birds will be accustomed to you feeding them, and you'll have a herd of birds, okay, every morning waiting for you to feed them. Anyways, a little longer tip of the day. Such a beautiful day. Look at this. Wow. Okay, savor that, right? It's called, this is the green plane, right? This is green, and green makes you feel happy. Yes, it does. Okay, even green in your pocket, right? Money makes you happy, doesn't it? Well, just seeing green everywhere. Okay, blue, see the blue behind me? Okay, indigo and violet. This is, of course, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So these are the energy centers that basically your eyes see energy. Anyways, watch the tips of the day, and we all teach each other a few things, right? Show me your wings. Show me, Hodo. Right, you show them. Put them out there. Put them out there. Okay, the star of the show, Hodo. Aloha.